This is the PMBOK, not the book, but BOK, B-O-K, which is put together by Villanova University, and it's a guide to the project management body of knowledge. In this manual, under the table of content, it covers what is regarded or considered as the project management best practices. And it goes through the introduction, the life cycle, the management process itself, the scope, time management, cost management, quality management, and so on and so forth. But in any event, this book or this manual is very extensive, and it covers a lot of information. But what I'm trying to do is, for purpose of practicality and simplicity, is to boil this down into a simplified equation, or into a simplified model or method, which is what I'm calling the ideal PM. At least I want to be able to capture the essentials, the basic thing that you need to manage a project. Okay, with that said, I'm going to do a detailed breakdown of the ideal PM method or process. The project management process, based on Villanova University PMBOK, consists of 47 processes grouped together under 5 categories, which are initiate, plan, execute, monitor and control, and close. I would like to propose what I like to call the ideal PM case. Ideal PM case is a mnemonic that stands for initiate, define, execute, administer, lead, plan, monitor, close, acknowledge. Lessons learned, set precedent, and end. The plan and monitor is a recursive process because you plan the project, you monitor the results, then you make changes, and then you have to plan again and monitor. The traditional approach versus the proposed structure: initiate, execute, monitor, close, and plan remain the same. Added lead as a separate item, because when you take the lead, in essence, you're taking control. Initiate, in the traditional approach, it goes from initiate to planning. But how can you plan something which is not fully defined? So I added the definition process right in the beginning. The ideal PM case process is a well-balanced structure, ideal for setting the boundaries for managing a project. In the beginning, you do three things. You initiate, define, and execute. And afterwards, you do three more. You lead, plan, and monitor. During the entire project, you administer the project or manage the project, which is the process, the procedural process and protocols. And at the end, you close the project and you do three more things. You acknowledge lessons learned, set precedent, and end the project. And this makes up the ideal PM case process by Carlos K. Ricard.